Hello again, Saber Forum. E-Rock here again. And the time is upon me yet again to review another custom Saber sound font. Today, we have a first from Faa-Yal Dragu of the Saber Forum. And he sent to me the Duel of the Fates metal version. Now, I'm a big fan of Dream Theater. I'm a big fan of Rush. Always appreciated those little noodly guitar riffs on the Saturday morning cartoon specials back in the 80s, where these things tended to be most pervasive. Now I get one on my Saber. Anyways, everybody, Faa-Yal Dragu's the Duel of the Fates metal version custom Saber sound font for the Obsidian. Just so you know, I got my heavy blade back on because I've been working out again. This has about 5 different things, meaning you'll have to double up on the boot. I just put the clash sound in the boot and in the swing as well. It's simply designed to make your Saber sound like it's playing music, but it will make the clash sound with the music, which is pretty cool too. The lockup, I love that, man. You did a really good job on this one. For the simplicity of this font, it is doubly effective, I think. It's not distracting. It does what it's supposed to do because of its simplicity, and I think that is why you win, Faa-Yal. So, one more demonstration of this, and check it out on Saber Forum as well. It's going to be available for download as well. If you just feel like swinging your Saber around with some metal Duel of the Fates, well, it's a good change, guys. Give it a shot. Thank you again for watching, everybody. Keep those custom sounds fonts coming, if that was proper English, which it wasn't, and I will gladly and happily review them for you again. Cheers, guys, and Faa-Yal, thank you so much for giving this to us. Solid little font, man. Good job. Thanks again for watching. May the force be with you.